Installing the new license plate lights, LEDs, stock bulbs, yellow, do not need that. So we got one in. I don't think you need any tools for this. All you have to do is go behind the light. There's gonna be a clip on the back side. I'm not too sure if you can see it from here. Clip on the back side, just like these clips, just push them in and the light just pops out. Perfect. Twist it. Use this glove because these lights are pretty hot. Pops right out. So take our new one, stick it in there. Don't need it overly bright anyways. Stick it right in there. Perfect. Just test to see if it works before you stick it in so you don't gotta repeat the process. Nope. Just try it the other way. Perfect. Golden. Put this guy right back on. Make sure it's on there so it doesn't fly out. All you have to do is position your light again. Done. No tools needed.